Words that encourage, not criticize. What do I need to shake? Old eyes can't shake these old eyes.
The pace lesson. You take all my energy out.
Old eyes can't shake these old eyes. They've seen too much and they're just too dry to cry. Heart of mercy and not oblige. Words to encourage, not criticize. What do I need to shake these old eyes? Can't shake these old eyes. Like cameras recording every little wrong. I need your ancient heart of love. Send me your grace on the wings of a dove. Lift my chin to meet your gaze into these old eyes. Can't shake these old eyes. I need your heart to fill me up. Most holy, let me drink the cup of your purity. Change my sight from these old eyes into your holy eyes. Let me see the world with your supernatural grace.